Hello, YouTubers. Today I'm just going over a stupid decision that JBC is doing with the new cartridge that house the tips, as you can see in here. This is how the tips would be were. I'll just go over them real quick. And this is a poor design right here. This is what they're going to be going to. Little sleeves. So I have these tips. These are fine tips, like this one. This one's a very small, fine, kind of like a needle at the end. I can't really. I'd have to get that on the microscope. But yeah, now with their new design, I mean these tips are pretty expensive as is. You know, I own all JBC stuff from the hot air station to the soldering, the cleaner, everything. Uh, I mean, I purchased their products. I stand behind them, but I can't stand behind this decision right here. So you're talking about you want me to put my tip that after I'm done using into a little plastic cardboard sleeve and hope that the tip on it doesn't get bent by me throwing it in my drawer. This is a very poor decision. I know they're probably going to have a lot of heat for this. I figured I'd make the video because I'm not happy with the decision. It's like I almost want to possibly get a different station just because of it. I mean, they're known for quality, and this ain't quality. So let me show you a picture here. This is the new cardboard thing that they want to come out with. So this is the new cardboard thing they want to come out with right here. Very poor decision. I mean, oh, it's eco-friendly. This is eco-friendly. You can recycle this. This is plastic. I'm raving about this a little bit. I think this is uncalled for. I mean, that's how they're going to come. New cartridge, new packaging. Ooh. They're new? New cartridge packaging? Wow. I mean, this is just ridiculous. I mean, especially for the smaller tips like that, you know? You're gonna bend them. There goes your micro tips. Now look, it's a little sleeve. You tear the back off of it. Once you tear the back off of it, then you fold it back in there and hope your tips don't fall out. Or they don't get bent while you put them in a drawer or something like that. Especially small little fine tips like this. So, I mean, these are nice cases here. They slot right in there. Protect your case. Maybe they figure people are going to damage their tips a lot more easier and want to buy more tips. I mean, you've seen that cardboard. I just did this just to make fun of it, I guess, but it's probably half the thickness or half the thickness of this. I showed you the picture of it. You can check out their video. But yeah, it's just a little ridiculous that they would go with some cardboard design holding your tips. I mean, JBC is known for quality. If you guys feel like they shouldn't change their stuff, feel free to go to their site right here and email them, especially if you own their products. But I say, don't do it, JBC. Bad decision. Tell me what you guys think and what your comment. You feel free to comment below. I don't know. I just feel like this is a very poor decision on JBC's end. So, tell me what you think below. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, share this video. And as always, thanks for watching.